Welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. I'm here today to show you how I make a zucchini and cabbage soup. So let's get into it. I have a lot of these vegetables, zucchinis, one of these for the first time, half a cabbage, some carrots, and some celery, and some minced garlic. I'm going to take these ingredients and make a wonderful soup that will not only smell delicious but taste delicious, and I'll show you how I do it. So one of the first things I do is I go ahead and light the fire, and I leave it on a semi-high setting, and I get some olive oil and I splash a little bit of olive oil base of my pan, and then the olive oil will be ready with the onions. Olive oil, I will start sauteing with the onions right away, and then I'll add the garlic in. These zucchinis came from my garden. I don't think I have the patience to grow an onion. And then I put these into the pot. And already it smells delicious. Just kidding. But it does smell delicious. Nothing like garlic and onions to really make the house smell inviting. I'm going to turn this down just a little. I don't want them to burn. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic, it's a little bit like a heaping tablespoon. There it goes. I just want this to caramelize a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to start chopping up the vegetables. Adding in the celery. And you can chop this as finely or as coarsely as you like. A lot of cooking is all preference and what you like and what your family enjoys. A little stirry stir. Smells so good. Now I'm going to have these little bitty tomatoes that I don't know what to do with. I'll probably throw them in just because my garden produces a lot more than we can eat. And that's a great thing. Not yet enough to help and give neighbors yet, but soon. So once again, this is a half a cabbage. Little cabbage goes a long way. lot of people have a certain timeline this all has to happen. You know, you got to do this first, wait this many minutes. With this particular recipe, it's not that important to worry about. Just kind of get it all in there. It's going to be soup. So. Oh, you know what? I am going to throw these tomatoes in there. Look at that, nice. Little baby tomatoes. Okay. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chicken bouillon. Make a lot of chicken soup, so. Then I'm going to put in 1 coffee carafe of water, and like I said, it doesn't have to be exact, so this is going to let the stuff start stewing. I'll probably add more water again later. Sometimes you have to adjust it a little bit to taste. So now I'm going to turn the heat back up to about medium high, and I'm going to keep adding more zucchinis. Oh, and I also had these carrots I was going to add. Zucchinis will release a lot of water on their own. These are a highly water dense vegetable. This one feels funny, so I think I'm gonna have it off. Growing your own garden is an excellent way to cut costs. Learning to cook it will save you a lot of money too. I am grateful to our garden for all these zucchinis. They come up fast. It's like you look in the garden one day and then you turn around and like, woo, there's a zucchini. Nice summer squash. I've never been able to grow summer squash before, so I was really happy when I saw this little guy under there. It was just hanging out. This will cook down and those guys will get submerged. Zucchini is the darling of the summer vegetables, or so I hear. I'm going to give it a little island seasoning, some jerk seasoning. And again, you can change whatever you like in your soups. This is going to give it a little heat. I'm going to put in some peppercorns. Some fresh salt. And again, I'll season it again if I need to taste. And we cover it, let it breathe a little, and let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna lower the heat a little. And I'll see you back in a little bit. We finished the soup. And I already served some to my husband. And it looks like this. Yummy zucchini soup with vegetables. I wish you had smell-o-vision. It's delicious. So don't be shy, get in the kitchen and start cooking some soup.